Mastering the phrase, in fighting shape, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's often used in everyday conversations. In fighting shape. This phrase has a unique origin and a powerful meaning. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound like a native speaker, stay tuned. In fighting shape is an intriguing phrase with a literal and metaphorical meaning. Literally, it refers to being physically fit and ready for a fight, just like a boxer or an athlete preparing for a competition. Metaphorically, it means being well prepared and in excellent condition to face any challenge or task. It's about being at your best, both physically and mentally. The phrase, in fighting shape, has its roots in the world of sports and physical competition. It originated from the training and preparation athletes undergo to be in peak condition. The word, fighting, here symbolizes struggle or competition, while shape refers to physical fitness or readiness. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into everyday language to describe readiness and preparation in various contexts. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After months of hard work and training, the team is finally in fighting shape for the championship. 2. He wasn't in fighting shape for the interview, so he didn't perform as well as he hoped. 3. With all the preparations done, our project is now in fighting shape for the launch. Notice how the phrase can be used in both physical and non-physical contexts. It's versatile and adds a layer of dynamism to your speech. It's important to note that, in fighting shape, does not imply aggression or readiness for physical combat in everyday use. It's a metaphorical expression often used to convey readiness and optimal condition. Avoid using it in contexts where it could be misinterpreted as promoting violence or physical confrontation. And that's a wrap on, in fighting shape. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying ideas and emotions. Keep practicing, and you'll be in fighting shape for your English language journey in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.